Hello everyone, welcome and thank you for joining my channel. In this video, I want to show you guys this T-Mobile prepaid SIM card that I got from Amazon. The main reason I purchased this SIM card was that I was traveling to Hawaii and my network provider for roaming charges was outrageous. It was a cheaper alternative to buy this. These prepaid cards comes in a maximum of 30 days, has unlimited high-speed data in the US, unlimited calling and texting between US, Canada, and Mexico, has 5 gigabytes of data in Canada and Mexico. This card must be registered at least 48 hours before the first day of your travel, and your SIM card will be activated on the day that you set it up. This SIM card, you're able to adjust different sizes: nano, micro, and standard. When you activate this card, make sure you activate it before the expiry date, or else it will not work. Also, make sure your phone is unlocked. Fill out all the information to activate your SIM card. I did mine about 5 days ahead of schedule, and the day of or the day before you reach your destination, you should receive an email with your new phone number. I just landed in Hawaii. Now you put in the SIM card. It's best to put in the SIM card when you reach your destination.